Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am gonna show you how to insert data into MySQL database in PDO using PHP, and we will be using prepared statement for this. So let's check our database first. So this is our database. I will be using new tech. So this is my database and show everything from registration. I have this table of registration into new tag. What happened? Yes, select. Okay, select. So as you can see, this is my table which contain roll number, field, email, department, and choose event. So let's make a query to insert data with the help of PHP. So first write PHP tag and then username equals, in my case I have only root. I have given the username of root and password equals, I have set no password field is empty. Now let's create a try check block. So let's connection equals new PDO. I will be using PDO, so therefore now my SQL, these are the syntax. You can copy paste these syntax from here, and I am using localhost, so therefore I will be using this, and this is the DB name. In my case I have new tech. This is the DB name, and let's move forward, and here is the username and here is the, so in my case the password field is empty. I have set no password field. So these are the connection for the database. Now connection, set attribute. These are the syntax, so don't worry about that. So attribute and ERN, we will choose ER mode. So this is the ER mode, and PDO, and again ER mode. ER mode exception. So this is for the exception case. Now let's create our query, and we will be using prepared query. So let's create a prepared query. So query, this is the variable. You can use whatever variable you want, and connection prepare. So first let's prepare a query for this. Okay, no problem. So I will use insertion method. In this case, insert into my table name was registration, as I show you registration, insert in registrations. Now we will be inserting values, and as you can see I have 5 columns. There's 1 2 3 4 5, so I have 5 columns registration table. Now let's create 5 placeholders, 2 3 4 and 5. So these are 5 placeholders, as you can see. Now my query has been prepared. So these are prepared statement to avoid SQL injection. If you don't aware of these, kindly see tutorial on YouTube. What is SQL injection? It is very important. So let's prepare the query. Now our query has been prepared. Now check the exception, PDO exception, and so this is the exception. If the connection failed, then we will get some message, connection failed, and e-message. So we will get this message. Now we will so this query is prepared now. So let's execute this query by mentioning first I am using array. So this is the array, or if you are not using array, then just use 5 variables. So let's create this. So okay, get rid of this. I will keep it as simple as I can do. Now let's execute this query. So query execute, and now I will use variables in this field. So let's the first field was roll number, so that this is the roll number of 18P, let's suppose 876, whatever. And this is the name. Second field was the name, and the third field was the email, and the fourth field are department, so I am using computer science here, and the fifth was the event. So these are, now these values will be replaced on these placeholders. So first will be replaced with first, and second with second, and third with third, and so on. So now the query has been executed, and let's show the message here that thank you, your record is submitted successfully. So this message will be shown to me, and that's all. Now as you can see, 20p Ahmad gmail.com, computer science. So at this point Ahmad is not present. Now let's create this. Now this query has been created with SQL injection with PDO. So let's do localhost. Now run it, and as you can see, thank you, your record is submitted successfully. So let's see the record graphically. The message is shown, but we are not sure that is it. So select everything from registrations. Now everything from registrations. Record is not submitted. Where is Ahmad? Okay, let's check again. Execution is correct, and here is Ahmad. 1 2 3 4 5 fields are correct, and everything is correct. So let's check the error, why this is not working. Prepare statement is good. Insert into the session values, and 1 2 3 4 5, and this is correct. Then why I'm getting this error? And connection setter attribute is, yes, this is set. New PDO, this is also set. Username, password, DB name equals new tech, localhost, username, everything is fine, but I'm getting the error. So what is the error? Now let's see the error. Oh, this was the main error, man. Every time I use this method, I get this one same mistake every time. So what is this mistake? This mistake is this angular bracket. rectangular bracket, sorry. So this rectangular bracket is very much important. When you are executing this query, first write this rectangular opening tag of rectangular bracket and feeds variables, and then close this rectangular table. This is very important. Whenever I write this execution, I do the same mistake again and again, but I don't know why. So let's run it again, localhost, and now the query is set. So let's be sure. And as you can see, Ahmad is written in this. In the above, Ahmad was not, and now Ahmad is successfully. So this is the same, some syntax. I will write this code in the description. So these are very simple, but the same mistake I am doing again and again is this rectangular bracket. Now keep avoid of this mistake. Now okay, we will be inshallah meet in another lecture. So Allah Hafiz.